Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Things. Well, for today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix event duplication issues in Facebook ads. So, also before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. So, if you're running Facebook ads and in this case your events like purchasing or signups here are being tracked twice, that's called event duplication. It usually happens when both the browser via the pixel and your server via the CAPI are sending the same event, and Facebook counts it twice. So in this case, this can actually throw off your ad reporting. And how do you fix it? So first things first, you want to check for any duplication. So if there's actually duplications happening on your account, then you want to go to your Facebook Events Manager, find the event you're tracking like purchase, and check the diagnostics. If Facebook sees duplicates here, in this case it'll flag them there. Now that's your starting point here. Now, you want to use an event ID. Now, the main fix is making sure that both your browser and your server versions of the same event have a matching event ID. Now, unique identifier for that specific action. This is how Facebook knows, hey, these two events are the same and avoids double counting. And also, you may want to update your pixel and server tracking here. So wherever you've set up tracking here, whether it's manually or through a platform, make sure that both the browser or pixel and the server CAPI include the same event ID for each track action. So every purchase, for example, gets one ID, and that exact ID is sent from both sources. And also using Google Tag Manager here if you are using it. So if you're using GMT to manage your tracking, you can make this easier by creating a data layer variable to hold the event ID. Then just configure both the pixel tag and the CAPI tag to pull from the same variable. This, in this case, ensures consistency without manually entering the ID every time. Also, test and make sure everything works. Now, once everything's set up, go back to your Facebook Test Events tool, perform the test action on your site, and see what Facebook reports. Now, if it shows that the server and browser events are matched successfully, then you've solved the duplication issue. In this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe at 10 of the inspo. Thank you for watching.